The market is slightly different to what it was when I first started my career in the software engineering profession over 10 years ago. Back then, all my university classmates who got first class honours degrees were getting job offers before we had even officially graduated. At the moment, it seems that the junior and graduate market is a lot harder. I have a motto that when things get difficult, I try to do good things. What I mean by that is that when I am stressed, I try not to reach out for an extra biscuit or snack. I go for a walk, for example. This way, I associate difficult moments in life with positive actions, which help me build for the future. So while the market is difficult, and I understand it can be very disheartening to not get feedback from interviews, I encourage you to do good things to help you better position yourself for the future. So in this video, I will share some lessons that will hopefully help you prepare for the future when managing to start your software engineering job. The first lesson is continuous learning. As a software engineer, you will need to be learning new things all the time. New technologies come out all the time, new versions of the existing frameworks and programming languages are released every day. Angular, for example, has a new version every 6 months. And if you are not prepared to learn new techniques and technologies all the time, then this profession is probably not for you. Another lesson is ensuring to invest for the future. As a software engineer, you will probably have a very competitive salary compared to your peers. It is important to keep some of this money behind and invest in the stock market. Having a well-rounded portfolio that you put money into every month is very important so that you start building savings for the future or in case of a rainy day. Especially with the current layoffs, you will never know when you might be without a job for a period of time. Which brings me nicely onto ensuring you have set up your pension and you are looking after it. Companies usually pay into your pension, ensuring you know how to access that pension that is invested in the funds that match your investment strategy. Look after your pension. Don't look at it as something that is a long time away, because the earlier you start, the more compounding will start to work in your favor. Setting up and starting a side project is super important. This will ensure you are learning things outside of work. It also allows you to have freedom and work on things you are passionate about outside of your job. With enough work and effort, these side hustles could earn you some money, which will build that security in a volatile job market. And yeah, always be prepared for technical interviews with the current job market especially. Do things like LeetCode exercises, practice interview questions, and practice your interview presentation. This will make sure if worst comes to worst, you are ready to start interviewing. Look after your CV and LinkedIn profile, and also really important in this regard. Platforms such as LinkedIn allow recruiters and companies to know you are looking for work and they see what sort of experience you have. So yeah, these are some of the things I wish I knew and learned quicker when I was starting my software engineering career. Hope these were helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.